So we are here today to meet the winners of the Kit4Kids campaign, sponsored by Eden Tyre Servicing. Let's go meet the team. Kit4Kids gives local junior football teams aged from under 7s to under 12s in Derbyshire the opportunity to be nominated to win a brand new football kit courtesy of Derby County's proud partner, Eden Tyres and Servicing. Over 100 nominations were submitted to DCFC, and the panel chose Kilburn Youth Spartans as the winners because of their dedication and success in bringing sport back into the community of Kilburn after a long absence.
So my name's Mark and I run Kilburn Youth Spartans Football Club. The phone call, it's a tearjerker, it's simple as that. You know, when Sam rang and spoke to my wife and explained, and then she rang me, we were both just in bits. It just, things like this don't happen to us, it's just amazing. And then my immediate thought was the kids. When you create something like we created a couple of years ago with Kilburn Football Club, it's all about the identity and belonging to something. And everything that we've done so far, no matter how small, they've been quite appreciative and humbled by it. And this will just blow them away. It's a great initiative, really, really good initiative. The kids haven't got a clue, neither has Coach Mark, who's been with me right from the start with the under-9 side that are here with us today. They will be absolutely made up, can't tell you. They appreciate what we do for them. They're just fantastic. They are. I'm not just saying it. We're very blessed with the kids, their desire to learn, and it's nice that it's a mixed group as well of boys and girls, and they're all coming on at the same pace, and it's just lovely to see their development, especially at that age. We're from a hard-working, working-class area of Derbyshire, and things like this, I just can't believe it. I can't stop looking around. So.